Adrenaline, superpower, or science? One huge misconception is that adrenaline gives humans superhuman strength, like suddenly unlocking powers you didn't have before. And while adrenaline does boost performance, science shows it's nowhere near the superhero level most people imagine. Using the nature of science, we'll look at evidence, biological processes, and real examples to clear up what adrenaline really does and what it absolutely doesn't do. Adrenaline, also called epinephrine, is a hormone released by your adrenal glands when your brain senses extreme stress, fear, or pressure. It's part of the fight or flight response, a survival system that prepares your body to react fast to danger. It increases heart rate, widens your airways, releases glucose for energy, and boosts blood flow into muscles, basically turning your body into a fast reaction machine. Here's what adrenaline really does. It increases muscle activation and temporarily suppresses pain, meaning you can push harder than normal. It sharpens focus, quickens reaction time, and increases the force your muscles can generate. In intense exercise, adrenaline helps athletes recruit more muscle fibers and tap into stored energy more efficiently. This is why sprinters explode off the line or why fighters react almost instantly. But these boosts have limits. Myth: adrenaline lets you lift cars. Now for the big myth: adrenaline giving you superhuman strength. Stories of historical strength, like parents lifting cars, get shared constantly. And yes, real cases exist, but they're rare and usually involve leverage, momentum, or shock as major factors. Even during extreme stress, adrenaline doesn't create new muscle fibers. It only lets your body recruit more of what you already have. So you might hit closer to your true maximum, but you're not smashing through concrete or doubling your strength like a superhero. Your body normally limits how much force your muscles use to prevent injury. Adrenaline weakens those safety limits, but the limit is still based on your muscle mass, tendon strength, and skeletal structure. In fact, people sometimes injure themselves during adrenaline spikes. Tendons tear, muscle strains, because they push harder than what their tissues are built to handle. Understanding adrenaline isn't just cool science, it matters for real people. Athletes experience adrenaline spikes constantly. It affects decision making, risk taking, and even injury rates. Knowing how it works can help athletes train smarter and avoid pushing themselves into dangerous territory. For people living in high risk areas or emergency situations, knowing the limits of adrenaline can prevent unrealistic expectations or dangerous assumptions about what the body can actually handle. Athletes often describe feeling unstoppable, but research shows adrenaline boosts output by around 5 to 15%. Impressive, but not superhuman. In emergencies, adrenaline has helped people do incredible things, but these are a combination of adrenaline, mechanics, leverage, and extreme motivation, not magical strength. This is why scientific literacy matters. By breaking down the biology behind adrenaline, we understand both what's possible and what's exaggerated. So, yes, adrenaline makes you faster, sharper, and more capable in stressful moments, but it doesn't give you supernatural strength. It maximizes what you already have. Understanding adrenaline helps athletes perform safely, helps people interpret emergencies realistically, and separates scientific fact from exaggeration. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.